Welcome to Sparks Toyota. Here we have a 2015 Nissan Xterra PRO-4X. It has a clean one-owner CARFAX and comes with power mirrors, a roof rack, step rails, deep tinted glass, splash guards, and much more. 16-inch off-road alloy wheels, all-terrain tires, fully automatic aero composite halogen headlamps, fog lights, and a strong 6-cylinder four-wheel drive with only 77,890 miles. The tow package, large brake lights, the rear wiper, a spacious cargo area with a cargo cover and a cargo net, and a comfortable back seat with cup holders. The front row, heated leather bucket seating, cruise, AC, a locking glove box, power outlets, door pockets, outside temp, a leather steering wheel with convenience controls, the multimedia and navigation touchscreen with a CD player, Bluetooth and voice recognition, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze. Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.